So guys, make sure to stand till the end, because if you make one common mistake you may end up spending thousands of dollars on parts diagnostics that you may need. Make sure to stand till the end, we will explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Dodge Challenger, that generation here from year 2014 to year 2024. If you need to find where the oxygen sensor heater fuses and relays are located, which fuses and relays control it. Also, if you need to buy replacement parts and tools at a good price, we'll share the information in the video for your convenience. So let's start on it now. So before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix transmissions, engines, bodywork, electrical components, fuses, relays. Why we do all that guys? Because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. We have guys more than 15,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can practically guys save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. And if you need to buy parts, tools at a good price, quick shipping, we'll put the links in the description of the video below for your convenience. By the way guys, any of you that want to see how to test oxygen sensor heater, we'll have videos on our YouTube channels that will explain how to do that. Now, what we need to do, we'll be working in two different fuse boxes. In the first fuse box we need to open the hood. Next, when you face your Dodge Challenger, on the left side, which is the passenger side, you have a fuse box here. It will work for V6 and V8 engines as well. See these tabs, push them together and pull the cover up, and you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse, sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. Here guys, for the oxygen sensor heater we will need to check multiple fuses that are known as engine management fuses. There is not quite much information, very limited information what they're for, but most likely we have one or two fuses for the oxygen sensor heaters, so check all of them. Most likely one or two of these fuses are for that function. The first one in that row of fuses is fuse 31, 34, they're very important fuses, 35, 37. Check relay 63 here as well. Next, open the trunk, leave the carpet liner up on the back side, and underneath you will find your spare tire and the car battery on the right side. Right behind the battery you will find a fuse box, that's a closer look of it. Squish these tabs together, pull the cover up, and you will find that layout here. You need to check relay 29, and some models may have relay number 14 here that you will need to check as well on your Dodge Challenger. So guys, this Dodge Challenger has all kinds of different fuses and relays. Those could be really hard to find if you're in the middle of nowhere. We'll guys put a link in the description of the video below where you can get some spare ones put in the glove box, because one time we needed a spare, we couldn't find one and we were stuck in the middle of nowhere because of that guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.